In this question, they give you the equation of a straight line, and then you're going to find the slope, x-intercept, and y-intercept of this straight line. So you don't know how does it look like, you just simply draw it like this. Any straight line is fine. And the slope is about how steep it is. And then the x-intercept is talking about the position when it's close x-axis. And y-intercept is talking about when it crosses y-axis. So at this point, we don't know the left-right position, but we 100% sure that y is equal to 0. So x-intercept, the implication, that means y is equal to 0. Then we can substitute it inside because we have the relation of x and y. 6x minus 2, replace it by 0. Minus 15 equal to 0. So 6x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 over 6, and you have to simplify it or give decimal form. This is 5 over 2. The coordinates is 5 over 2, 0. But if we talk about x-intercept, it's just 5 over 2. Similar reason for the y-intercept. We don't know the up-down position, we don't know the height, but we 100% sure the left-right position is 0, the same as origin. So at y-intercept, we know that x is equal to 0. So this time we replace x by 0. And then negative 2y is equal to 15. Y is equal to negative 15 over 2. Therefore, y-intercept is the value negative 15 over 2. Finally, we need to get the slope. With 2 points, then of course you can get the slope. This 2 points, the y difference divided by x difference. So we just write down 0 minus negative 15 over 2, and then over 5 over 2 minus 0. You may use your calculator, which is equal to 3. The slope is 3. The second approach is if you use the formula directly. For any straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then we know that the slope is equal to negative a over b. The x-intercept is negative c over a, and finally y-intercept is negative c over b. So in this case, we have some preparation work. A represents the coefficient of x, which is 6. B is coefficient of y, negative 2. C is constant, negative 15. So if we apply the formula directly, slope is negative something over something. A is 6 while b is negative 2. So we have positive 3, the same as our previous calculation. X-intercept is equal to negative c over a. C is negative 15 while a is 6. So we have 15 over 6, that means 5 over 2. Finally, y-intercept is equal to negative c over b. C is negative 15 while b is negative 2. So we get negative 15 over 2. Even though the formula is not quite convenient, but I'm not sure whether you can memorize so many different formulas in exam. And also, usually the exam question is not that straightforward. So better understand the meaning of x-intercept and also how the strategy you use to find out x-intercept from the understanding of equation of straight line.